Guys, you probably heard of this game. It's called Battle Cats. Yep. I'm playing that. But I'm also gonna do one slot. You probably heard of another YouTuber, Supasta do it. So let's get started with Korea. Korea? I have no time. I have no time for tutorials. Yeah. This pretty easy with one cat because you only get one cat. I'm so unused to playing this from the start. I am gonna make a series. One slot. Now I can't cheat it and I can't mine for the data on the wiki. That cat cannon did absolutely nothing. Anyways, we're about to defeat the first level, and there's still 100 HP. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay. Superior kimchi. Yo, the starter stamps. Let's go. Yeah, so that's my entry code. You saw nothing. Just kidding, you saw. So there's a tank cat, but it instantly adds to it. So let's start with upgrading my cat. Hey, I got 20 cat food. Anyways, yeah. Let's go to Mongolia. That was a bad pun. Now I'm gonna edit the video. It'll be faster. I just need my time. So I'm gonna unlock Cat, but first I need to rapidly open the door to get the equip menu. Insert music while I do this. Let's go. How fast do I have to be faster than the speed of light? Seems so. I'm gonna pause the video and continue when I'm done. Hey guys, I finally got it. Now let's acquire this unit. And now we get the organize menu, aka the equip menu. So what I wanna do is I wanna buy the axe cat. It's good for beginners. So let's go chop some people up in Thailand. That sounds way better in my head. Wait! I forgot to upgrade all my things. So, not the quick slot. Menu or something. Let's upgrade Axcat to level 2. And now for a montage of doing the levels.